Hello, my name is Emerson Shear, and please allow me to be the first to welcome you to Perkly. So now, as a staff member of a company that is using Perkly, your day-to-day is going to be quite simple. As far as in this video, what we're going to cover is the process of giving the customer their points, right? So you're awarding them their points that they've earned for the transaction that they've just completed. Um, you have basically four different ways to give customers codes. But just from what I know out of the usability and just making it easy to use, we're just going to cover two for now in this video. We're going to cover the QR code way, and we're going to cover the customer number, simply because these are the two easiest contactless methods of doing that, right? So right now I'm logged in as a staff member here. So let's just make believe I'm you as a user. And just so we can kind of display the system on the other end, I am logged in as a customer. So I have accounts. So you can see right now, my current point balance is 330 points. So the first scenario would be a QR code, right? So there's two ways to scan a QR code. The first would be you as a user, you are logged into this system. You're logged in on your phone. Well, actually, you don't even have to be logged in. You just want to make sure you have an account and that you're logged in because it will remember you basically, right? Or the other scenario would be, you're at the point of sale system and you have a 3D barcode scanner, right? Not a 2D, right? So it's a 3D. It needs to be capable of actually scanning a barcode, a 3D barcode for that matter. Now, if that were the case, what's going to happen is, so now you're the staff member. On the customer side, what they're going to be able to do is they're going to be able to basically generate a QR code, right? So this is them, they're on their phone, right? Because they're in your location. I doubt they're walking around with a laptop at that time. So this is a code that they're going to generate on their phone. You, as the staff member, would then either scan it with your phone or the 3D code scanner. And then what'll happen is if that was the case, if you scan this, you will be taken to a page here that will already have the customer loaded, and you will just award the points, right? I'm not going to be able to demo that because, we're not recording on a phone right now, or we're not filming like a video facing a computer, right? But just trust me, if you test it out, you'll see that it works. The other scenario is going to be you're going to add points to a customer account by their account number, basically, right? So as the customer, let's say I'm not going to go that route. Let's say I'm just going to click on this as a customer, and there's my customer number, right? So I'll copy it because I'm going to paste it, but you as the user, the customer would just read it here, right? So you would say, okay, customer Smith, what's your point number? What's your account number? And they would read it off to you, and you would give the customer 50 points. Okay, very simple. So now, theoretically, as the customer, when I go in here, what did I have? I think I had 330 points before. Now, when I go here, I should have 380, I believe. Correct. And this will be the 50 points that we just credited right here. For now, that is it. That is the simplest way to utilize the program. There will be more videos on how to use the other two in the center of this page here. But for now, that should be sufficient. So welcome aboard, and we hope you enjoy using Perkly.